So let's talk about chatbots and how you can actually implement these into your business. So one of the best ways that I think people can implement AI into their business is by creating and using a chatbot for things like customer service, answering frequently asked questions, scheduling calls, or just overall maybe like checking order status or some of these more simple tasks that are time consuming for you and your team, but they're not really super high demand as far as the skill required. So you can have a widget on your website and you can alter what this looks like, the color, everything else, the icons in it. And then you can also have a message above this that would say, hi, welcome, or if they've been to the website before, welcome back, have their name there, how can I help you today? So in this case, I have used this before. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this and it's actually going to bring up all the conversations that I've had previously. So I could scroll through those based on what we've talked to in the past. But if I've never had a conversation or if I want to start a new one, I can go ahead and put a message in here. I can click on send, and then now it's actually going to open up a contact form once it replies, asking for my information, which is a way for you as the business owner to collect contact information, get new contacts into your CRM, and then now I've also captured their name, phone number, email. I can follow up with them later. Now I said I need help with scheduling, so it's not even going to go through the whole what's your name, phone number, and email. Again, I've been here before on this website, so I'm going to go through and I can actually have a conversation with this now. So I'll type in an answer and we'll see its reply. Okay, so now it's asking me if mornings or afternoons are normally better for me when it comes to scheduling, so I'll go ahead and tell it mornings are generally better. I'll send this message, and then I'll get a reply in just a moment, and then it's going to actually start narrowing down days of the week and start offering me specific times to get a call scheduled in the calendar. If I had other questions, let's say I was asking about general information for the business, pricing, all kinds of other stuff, based on how you've had the chatbot built, it can either answer things, dig further, or it can decide it's not going to answer questions based on exactly what you did or did not tell it to do within the knowledge base. So now we have a message. Let's see what it said. Great. How about we look for Monday, March 24th? We're here, blah, blah, blah. Does that work for you? I'll say, can I do a different day? And then I'm going to see what it says after that. Okay, so now I've just asked if I can do something later in the week. We'll go ahead and see its reply. So the way that we build chatbots here in our agency is they're not decision tree chatbots, meaning it's always going to say this or always going to say this. There's no templatized answers. It just has a knowledge base, it has objectives, and it knows its end goal is to schedule someone if they've mentioned scheduling. So it's going to start offering me times in a very human way, and it feels like I'm texting a team member. Absolutely. How about Thursday? So it offered me a later time, and I'm going to say, yes, that works. And then it will schedule the call in the calendar, just like you were doing it over Messenger. But the thing is, this saved you a ton of time. So chatbots are one of the easiest ways that you can implement AI into your business very quickly, very efficiently, and help get things like customer service, order status, and frequently asked questions off your plate.